CES 2026 has just finished in Las Vegas, and this year delivered some of the most practical technology we've seen in a long time. Right from the start, one thing is clear: artificial intelligence is everywhere. Not as a buzzword, but as real, working technology you can actually imagine using today. If you follow robotics, automation, or next-gen devices, this edition has been one of the strongest so far. Humanoid robots immediately grabbed attention. Their movements are smoother, more natural, and more responsive than in previous years. It's the first time they truly look ready for real logistics and retail environments. Quadruped robots also made a strong impression with higher stability, bigger payloads, and redesigned sensor systems that help them navigate complex spaces with far more confidence. Another area that stood out was advanced mobility. eVTOL aircraft are no longer futuristic concepts. Several companies showed models entering test phases with updated autopilot systems powered by local AI processors. Industrial drones also evolved with longer flight times and autonomous routines designed for inspection, agriculture, and infrastructure work. The industry is clearly moving toward a future where air mobility becomes a normal part of daily operations. On the consumer side, displays and mobile devices looked more solid than ever. Foldables feel sturdier, transparent screens are getting closer to commercial use, and micro-LED panels deliver better brightness with lower power consumption. Laptops equipped with dedicated AI hardware are now capable of running real-time inference without relying on the cloud, offering faster performance and more privacy. It feels like the shift from concept to reality finally happened. Compared with CES 2024 and 2025, this edition felt different. It was more mature, more complete, and much more focused on real products that will hit the market between now and 2027. Attendance numbers were strong, with estimates above 130,000 professionals and over 4,000 exhibitors. The momentum is clearly back, and competition in AI and robotics is pushing innovation faster than ever. And here's the important part: the next big global tech event is just around the corner. The MWC 2026 in Barcelona will bring major announcements in telecom, mobile networks, robotics, AI hardware, and industrial automation. If you want early access to those insights, you will find them right here on Patchsite Technology. As always, I'll bring walkthrough videos, on-site coverage, and a closer look at the technologies that really matter. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, subscribe now, and tell me in the comments which innovation from CES 2026 caught your attention the most, and what you're hoping to see at MWC 2026 in Barcelona. Your ideas help shape the next videos.